Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are learning about data analysis with pandas. Here we are studying for how to use pandas in Python in data analysis. Pandas is a Python library that provides easy to use data structure and data analysis tools. It's widely used tasks such as cleaning, transforming, and analysis data. This tutorial we are using for Kaggle dataset. Dataset name is Comalan Nursery Rhythm Utip Status. Okay, this dataset CSV dataset. So how to open new notebook? Click here, new notebook. So automatically that datasets load here. Here is the dataset. Okay, so first import that library. Import library. Which library we are using? We need to use import pandas as pd and import sys system library. We need to print system version. What is the system version and print pandas version. pd dot version. Okay, next one, we need to load data using pandas. Okay, first here is we can use data series and data set. What's the meaning of data set? In statistics and data analysis, a data series refers to sequence of data points or values collected at regular interval or ordered in some way. Okay, that's the data series. Data set, a data set is collection of data usually organized in structure format such as table, spreadsheet, and database. They represent information about a particular topic or set of variables. Data series represent a single sequence of data points, while a data set is a set of data series. Set of dictionary data set. So data series. So data is here. We need to check this one. This one is our data set, means is this one is data series, but collection of data series is a data set. This is a data set. Read the data set in pandas. You typically use one of the read dash star functions provided by pandas depending on the format of this your data set. The most commonly used function are read CSV function and for comma separate values CSV files, read Excel file or JSON file or SQL file. Okay, so we already have a data set here. We already loaded. df means DataFrame pd dot read. We already know the function read. Okay, read. What is our dataset format here? It's a CSV function. So we put CSV bracket colon and we need to take this path. Where is that? Here is the path, Google input. So we need to copy this file, copy this path and paste it. Okay, paste it. We can learn about DataFrame basis. Okay, first DataFrame dot head. We can put head. We can put it how many rows we needed. 3. So this is the index value. This is the ID. This is the title, description, publish time, kind, status, duration, second, view count, like count, comment count. How many comment is there, and URL, thumbnail. Okay. So next is, this is the top of the data set. DataFrame dot tail. Tail means is a bottom of the data set. How many datas we need? 2 more. Okay, this is the last 2 rows. Okay, and df DataFrame sample. If you want a sample data set randomly, okay, randomly you want it, you can take it like that. So randomly you can pick only 1. If you want 3 or 4 like that, you can get random rows. Okay, random rows, and we can get of not for fraction of 0.1 or 0.01. and how many? See, 2 rows, 0.1, because how many rows? 25 rows. Okay, so sample. Okay, we can put sample. So randomly you need to select any rows. We can use the df sample. Okay, then this data frame, how many columns or columns detail? What is a column list? List of columns. See you. See, this is a column list. ID, title, description, publish time, kind, status, duration, second, like that. df info info. This one give for us a data type. Every columns data type. Okay, object, integer. Here is the how many rows, 248. How many columns, 25 columns. And data type, integer, how many columns there. Object is, object meaning in the Python is a string. How many memory use, how much the memory use here? 48.6 KB memory use, less little bit. Okay, so df info. And now we can check df description. Describe, enter. So this one give a count, mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, 25%, 50%, all of them give it us. So these all of them coming from only integer columns. So we have 15 object columns. So let's see. See, this is the title. All titles are coming. So when you need to get a one column full values, we can put df bracket and which column you want. Okay, then if you want this column description, describe. So we can get count unique value 241 unique value, frequency 2 title, same title is there. Okay, so 241. okay, this is the top of the title here. Okay, now we need to check df shape 248 rows, 25 columns. So subset echo. Okay, when you get the first, we need to know what is the df column. Okay, so we get description, publish time, title, publish time, duration checker, all of the data we make a subset. So what we need to do, first we get title, okay, what we do, df title, description, publish time, description, we don't want description, publish time, status, kind of, okay, duration can be record. Okay, these all of them we need to put double bracket again. Okay, double bracket. So this one will give subset. This is the subset. See, so if you want, we can put a df one equal this subset name df1. When you put a df1, is only one 247 column only. Okay, you don't want to comment count because all of them look like a 0. Okay. Only 6. So title and publish time, kind, status, duration, second, and view comment, like count. Okay, then column, list of column. Okay, so first what we need to do, this is a list of column. We can put all of them coming up. So when you need, we put a 5 here, what happened? 4 or 3. What happened for this? See, first 7 columns coming up, so we can make data set like that too. So that's why let's see. So we remove that last 5 columns and rest of them. Okay, we can of data set like that, last 5. Okay, okay, so we can make a subset 2 type. We can use column names. Okay, column names for each which one you want it, and then we can put a data set like that too. First, if you want df columns, columns. See, this one is data type we can get data type which each column data type df info, okay, df info enter. So we can get the all our each columns data type. ID is object, title is object, publish time is object. Object means string. Okay, let's see. So now we know that all data type, all columns data type. We can get one column. We know how to get a one column df any column. Published date. Published time. This is the published time data, published time column. So this one is look like but is they set is the object, but is this one is the date and time. So we need to change this one is date and time. How to change this? We need to call this data type. Okay, we need to put a data type equal to pd pandas. We use here pandas function to date and time format and bracket here. Publish df publish time pd. This is a function to date and time to slash date and time. Need to change this one. Let's see this will work. Let's see now. See, date and time. Before is an object, now is date and time. Okay, so how here we check how to check the data type all columns or one column, and then if you draw data type, how to change it is the date and time. And now we are checking how to check data type all columns and how to check one column for data type, and then how to change the data type for data type or any other data type or any. Okay, now if you want to select a data frame, okay, data frame, select data type, select data type, data type. Using data types int, so we can select all data. Now df select data type integer, so we get the set of data set for integer values data type columns. Now if you want one columns, okay, this one is series of values. If you want this one is double bracket, what is a change? This one is data set, okay, one column data set. So if you want a data series, if you want look one bracket, you can get a data series, and double bracket you can get a data set for one column. Okay, so we need this value. Which one? This value we count 2 4 5. So this is second row. How many column? 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 column, 7 means 6. So we can use here df iloc when you need a specific. You want 0, count 0. So 2, 4. So when we need it here 0, 1, 2 like that. So this is our iloc. If you want iloc, if you want a data set of data for df iloc, iloc, okay, 8, 5. What's going on here? Rows, 8 rows, 5 columns. 5 columns we can get it. So this is a piece of data set, okay. And if you want a df iloc 2, what happened here? What's going on? Row number 2 we can get here. Row number 2, this one. These whole data's coming for here, object, okay. All columns titles here, this values here. df iloc data set, we can put double bracket here, double bracket, enter. So this is a data set, see, column and values, okay. This is the different. This df iloc 2, only one bracket is we got a series of datas. This one is data frame. This one double bracket data frame, we got a double data frame. Now we can check the loc, df loc, okay. We put this and which to title, comma, publish type, okay. We get this one. What we got? df loc, oh, sorry, so column name, okay. Then this one we got a title and publish data set. Put it like that. df loc 3, which column we can get that row values, okay. So if you got like same thing, but we need a full set of full columns like that, we can get the data set like that. True, how many is we have it, okay. We can check this one. So we need to take this one, df loc, we need to take that value. Let's see what's going on here. This is only one value for this filter, so we use for loc here filter. So df that column name and value, you need to take that value and then df loc, okay. Query, and they don't have a full length of, then we can get this one, publish time, let's see, we can filter this one. That one object or date and time, we don't want to filter. See, we can get it. This is a value, okay. We can get query, and this one is what is the different df query. When we start colon here, and here is a double colon, single colon, okay. Here and equal, this always is column name, we don't want the quotation. here we need a quotation mark. Okay, any column we can take, any column, which one we can take. Integer is good, any integer. View count, yeah, we can get view count. That's good. View count dot minimum count. Okay, minimum count dot minimum count. How much maximum df. Now is a maximum is what? Maximum. Oh man, this was the maximum. And then median, mean and mean. What is a mean? And use, let's see, deviation, standard deviation. What is the standard deviation? What else? STD and maximum sum of, oh man, sum of all of them, and percentage, quantile, quantile, 0.5, like that. We are going to this one for view count statistics. df, first we get the two columns. First is the view count, same thing, and comma, and what else? View count, like count, comment count. Like count, comment count. Oh, comment count. Okay, can get the data set here. Let's see. Wow. Yeah, view common. Okay, we need to put a double bracket. Yeah, see, this is it. Now we can get minimum or maximum. What else? If you want anything, see, view count, minimum, maximum, minimum, maximum. What is that called? Maximum also 0, so comment count and nothing, no comments. Really? Okay. Okay, same value we can get more than one column and more than one statistic function. So how to use this one? Here we can use AGG function. AGG function bracket, this one set, we need to put a set, comma, mean and median, minimum, comma, maximum. Okay, send. See, mean, median, mean, minimum, maximum. Use for pandas for statistical summaries. Now we are going to move to summarize categorical values. df equal, okay, and then this one localized and title. Let's see, localized and title dot unit. So we can get that. How many? Oh, okay. Oh, lots of, I think it's 240 maybe. engine, so we can get the numbers. Engine 227, but we have 240 in shape only in df dot shape 248, so not bad. So we have some of them. Df log as a category column name and n unique, and then n unique means how many is category value count. We can get value count, same value count, value count, COUNTS count. Let's see this one, some of them. There implies normalized. We need to get the percentage of normalized equal to true. If you put true, TRUE true, true, you will get a percentage 0.0. If you get into 100, we can get percentage. So first one, how to get the categorical value. First we choose the column and unique UNIQUE, then n unique and value count, how many is every category is having, and then normalize means we get the percentage. Okay. Pandas tutorial, we can learn how to load the data. First, how to import the Pandas library here, and then we can learn how to load the data set here and read -csv function, and then DataFrame basic commands, DataFrame head, DataFrame tail, and DataFrame sample, so we can get the sample data set, and then DataFrame columns, that one is give list of columns, and DataFrame info, df info, I mean give each columns data types and how much is data memory usage here, and then df describe, this one is give integer columns, statistic values, count, mean, medium, minimum, maximum, and df, this one describe. If you want to object column, we need to use column name and then describe. That one give how many column, how many frequency we can use. Df shape, this function give how many rows in this data set and how many column in the data set. Subsetting, how to make a subsetting, we can make different ways. First we can choose the column name and then make a data set, or we can use the data set method, and then data type, how to change the data type, how to know the data type. First df info or df that column name, then we can check the data type, and then if you have the wrong data type, we can change that. If you change the date time, we can use pandas here, pd dot to data dash date time method. Okay, and integer type, you select the types function, we can use integer or object, we can make a data set. Okay, and then loc and iloc head, if you want a not a one pointing, we can point any data in a value. We can get iloc, we can use iloc, and we can get that or one value, or we can make a data set piece of data. We can use this iloc, or we can use iloc bracket one value, we can get that row, or iloc double bracket, we can get a data frame, and then lock, that one is give that particular row. Okay, if we have put 4 title and publish, we can get fourth row title column publish time values. And the other one lock 3 title publish, same like that. We can put column, we can put all values. Lock filter, we can put a lock filter, we can use the lock filter, we can get data frame. And query df query method in the pandas, we can df dot query method likes lock value. Okay, we can get, but thing is, if here we can use column is a no comma, is a no comma, only is a object value double quotation here. Okay, and then statistics or minimum, here is a pandas, we can use column and function pdf statistical functions, minimum, maximum, median, mean, standard deviation, sum, quantile. And we can put a set of data's maximum values, minimum values. Here if we are using more than one statistical function, we can use 8gg method. So this pandas is a special method, also we can get all of them one shot. Okay, summarize categorical values, unique and end unique is a number, how many end unique is the value count, each categorical is how many values there, and then normalization true, that one we can get the percentage. Import the pandas library and enjoy the work. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.